Hi everyone, today, we're taking an in-depth look at the 2025 Tata Harrier EV, one of the most exciting upcoming electric SUVs in India. Tata Motors has been leading the electric vehicle revolution in the country, and with the Harrier EV, they are pushing things even further. This all-electric version of the popular Harrier SUV brings a futuristic design, powerful electric performance, and advanced features. Let's get into all the details you need to know. The Harrier EV is built on Tata's Gen 2 EV architecture, which is an evolved version of their existing platform. This setup allows for better efficiency, improved battery integration, and the possibility of dual-motor all-wheel drive. While official battery specs are yet to be confirmed, reports suggest it will come with a 60 to 70 kWh battery pack, offering an estimated range of around 500 kilometers on a single charge. This makes it one of the most practical long-range EVs in its segment. One of the standout aspects of the Harrier EV is its design. It retains the bold and muscular stance of the regular Harrier but gets EV-specific changes to make it look more futuristic. The front features a sleek, closed-off grille with a full-width LED light bar, giving it a high-tech and premium appearance. The aero-optimized alloy wheels not only enhance the looks but also improve efficiency. At the rear, connected LED tail lamps add a modern touch, and subtle EV badging makes it clear that this is an electric version of Tata's popular SUV. Moving inside, the cabin of the Harrier EV is expected to offer a blend of luxury and technology. A large touchscreen infotainment system with Tata's latest connected car features will take center stage. The digital driver's display will provide all the essential driving information, including battery status, range, and navigation. Expect premium materials, ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a wireless charging pad, making the cabin feel both futuristic and comfortable. Tata is also likely to introduce ambient lighting and a new dashboard layout to differentiate the EV from the ICE model. Performance is another area where the Harrier EV is expected to impress. The dual-motor setup will offer an all-wheel drive option, improving traction and stability, especially on rough terrains. Instant torque from the electric motors will ensure quick acceleration, making the SUV feel dynamic and responsive on the road. With multiple drive modes, including an eco mode for better efficiency and a sport mode for more spirited driving, the Harrier EV will cater to different driving preferences. Tata Motors has been working on expanding its fast charging network, and the Harrier EV will support DC fast charging. This means you can charge from 10 to 80% in under an hour, reducing range anxiety and making long-distance travel more convenient. Additionally, Tata's vehicle-to-load V2L technology may allow the Harrier EV to power external devices, which can be useful for outdoor activities or emergencies. Safety has always been a strong focus for Tata Motors, and the Harrier EV is expected to come with top-tier safety features. A 5-star crash rating is likely, considering Tata's track record. Advanced driver assistance systems (ADAS) such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking could be included, making the Harrier EV one of the safest electric SUVs on the market. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Tata Harrier EV is expected to be positioned between ₹30 to 35 lakh, making it a competitive option in the premium electric SUV segment. It will rival models like the Mahindra XUV, E8 and upcoming Hyundai and MG EV SUVs. With strong performance, a long range, and premium features, the Harrier EV has the potential to be a game-changer in the Indian EV space. That's everything we know so far about the 2025 Tata Harrier EV. What are your thoughts on this electric SUV? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest cars and EVs. See you in the next one.